Have you ever yawned just because someone else did, even when you weren't tired? Yawning isn't just about sleepiness. Scientists believe it helps cool down your brain, like a natural fan in your head. When your brain overheats, even slightly, yawning brings in a rush of cool air. And yes, yawns are super contagious. Seeing, hearing, or even thinking about yawning can trigger one. It's linked to empathy and mirror neurons, your brain's way of syncing with others. So next time you yawn randomly, it might not be fatigue. It might be your brain trying to chill out or simply connecting with someone nearby. Cool, right? If this made you yawn or taught you something new, give it a like, share it with a curious friend, and subscribe for more bite-sized science.